What's crack-a-lackin' YouTube?
What's up?
It's early morning here. We're going on a little garage sale treasure hunt. We're gonna see what we can find today. We're gonna have, this is Aaron, Bowie Smoke Thrift, by the way. He's gonna be in a lot of videos now because I'm over here in my new city. Yeah, we're going garage selling today, and we're gonna do a draft at the end of the garage sales. So instead of competing with each other at the sales, we're gonna work as a team and just get as much resellable stuff as possible. And then at the end of the day, we will split the cost of everything and do a little draft, and we'll film it all and show you guys what we got and what we got it for. But we're hoping to continue this good mojo. Here's a little clip from the Goodwill Bins that we went to yesterday for 1 hour, and we pulled around like $800 worth of vintage t-shirts. So here's a quick clip of that. So we're at the Benz right now, and my buddy Aaron just hit gold. Show him what you got. We both kind of just hit a little spot. But check out the Turok 2 Seeds of Evil Nintendo tee. That's actually crazy. Show them all the rest, because all of these shirts are just absolute bangers. The Visitors, always a good one. The Coyote Bluff. Hold on, there's more. Hold on. Dragon Ball Z. I found 2 Dragon Ball Z shirts as well. There's more. There's more. Hold on.
And then the last big one.
Wait, what's this?
That's just other fillers.
Oh, nothing? All right, here. Hold on real quick.
I got some crazy stuff too.
Boom.
And I have 2 Dragon Ball Z shirts. Kind of crazy, yo. Kind of crazy. Just because Dragon Ball Z is the champ. Hold on, that's not it. Kenny Rogers. And then way down here, Star Wars t-shirts. So we've definitely had, yeah, get in there.
Look at that.
Definitely had a little nice bin stop. All right, let's go see what we can find. All right, first sale, I scooped the blow mold and a Build-A-Bear Workshop teddy bear. Nothing crazy yet, but a nice little start. $3. We haven't had much luck yet, but we just pulled up to a church sale. So high hopes for a church sale, always high hopes. Silverware. Alright, me and Aaron are back. We're about to do our draft. I want to show you guys everything that we got so far this morning. Clothing, hard goods. We only spent $52? Yeah. Only $52 this morning on all of this. Garage sales and the bins, basically. So, let me give you a quick run through and then we'll start picking. All right, we have the toys, a bag, toys, stuffed animals, 2 hats, some shoes here, and then all of the amazing graphics and the amazing shirts here. We're gonna go 1 for 1. All right, we already flipped the coin to see who goes first. I'm gonna pick first. I get the first items. He's gonna pick 2 items. And then from there on out, we're gonna just go 1 for 1. And I'm gonna start by picking the Black Crows t-shirt.
Of course. I think it's only right that then I will take the 2 Dragon Ball Zs, since we each found those at the bins, respectively.
Yeah, we found
What are we up to, 5 Dragon Ball Z shirts
5
now?
Dragon Ball Zs, a whole Dragon Ball Z collection. I actually brought mine over, so maybe I'll show them all off in one
Perfect.
clip. All right, gosh, let's not take forever doing this, but now I don't know what I want. I'm probably gonna take this Harley t-shirt.
Okay.
Color Splash Harley type of deal, tie-dye.
Yeah, and I think I'm gonna go with the other Harley shirt. This one, Rattlesnake.
My next pick is going to be the St. Louis Rams crew neck sweatshirt.
And my next pick is going to be the Brooks GTS 17s. Really good shape.
Okay, my next pick is going to be, there's a couple things I want in my head, but I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna pick them. But I really like the Eeyore, so I'm gonna go with Eeyore. Maybe not worth that much, but I just like it. So I like selling what I like.
For my next pick, I'm gonna pick the Lollipop Dragon, orange guy. Comps, not the same one, but all sold within the $40 range. This one was not listed, no sold. So when I did a quick search, so.
Yeah, that's a good little stuffed animal. I'm gonna go with the blow mold. I'm actually getting like an antique booth that I'm super excited about, so I think this will go in there.
Then I'm gonna get these dolls. So, there's 4 of them here. I think one's missing an arm, but we'll try them out.
Like, those are the Monster High dolls. I'm curious to see how well they do. I am now going to go for the... Dang. Probably this crew neck. It's a little small, but it's really cool.
I'm gonna go for the Tevas. They sell quick. They're in awesome condition. It's still summer, so this will be a quick one.
Yep, those are good. I'm now going to go for, I want to switch it up a little bit. I'm going to try out a glove, a baseball glove. This is very old, worn and torn, but we'll see what we can do.
I'll keep with the baseball theme then, and I'll go with the Cleveland Indians hat. This is actually an old New Era hat made in the USA, so if you guys don't know, they're changing their logo, so might be something to look out for. I didn't actually look it up, but it's at least $20 on a bad day.
I'm gonna try the Woolrich. This is a Woolrich button up. I think I've sold these before. Something very similar to this before. I don't really know how much, but cool enough.
Nice. Ooh, tough one. I think I'm gonna go with the Nike jacket. It's a little stained up on the sleeves, but I think I can soak those and get that out. So it's a small, so again, a little small, but in pretty good condition other than the discoloration.
All right, I'm gonna go with Creepy Crawlers. This is an old game. I've sold this game before for like $30, so do it again.
I'm gonna go with the I'm gonna go with the Merrell hiking boots here. They're dirty, but they're gonna clean up really nice. There's no, I mean, soles look great. Besides being a little dirty and a little dusty, they're actually pretty good. So those should sell pretty good, Merrells.
Oh, we're getting down to it now.
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna, God, I would hate to ship this.
Just leave it. I'll take it.
What's in that?
I don't know.
Nope. I'll do the champion. Blank champion.
Alright, I'll take the pan.
Yeah.
I think that'll buff out. I got all the cleaning stuff for it. It's actually a Paul Revere wear. It's all copper bottom, so that's why I picked it up, but there is some stuff in there, but it also still has the tag in it, so I'm not sure if it's actually been used or if it's just been tossed around.
I'll try out the Cubs jersey. Castro? It's like official, right? Yeah, I don't know.
Majestic.
Yes. Well, we'll see what happens.
I'm gonna go with this like skull cap camel. It's from Sturgis 1994. You can barely see it, but it's kind of cool. So sorry about the dog.
She wants to play too.
Right.
Okay. Let's see. We're running down to it. God, I hate shoes so much, but I probably should take a pair of shoes. Those are ladies golf.
Yeah.
I'll take these.
Brooks.
Brooks.
More Brooks. All right, I'm gonna take one of the Carhartt fire-resistant shirts. So there's 2 of them over here. I'll take the darker of the 2.
I'm gonna take the Life is Good Build-A-Bear.
Yep. I'll go ahead and take the other Carhartt because I might actually package them both up and sell them together.
All right, I am going to grab the Mickey Mouse purple t-shirt. Actually, at this garage sale, This guy has a bunch of old retro games. He said he'd call me back because they were his son's and his son wasn't home. But he's like, yeah, I have old Nintendo stuff. So hopefully my phone rings here and he calls me up.
Yeah, wow. We don't have much left, do we?
No, it's just nitty gritties.
All right, so I'll take then the Lee Sport Minnesota Twins shirt.
I'm gonna take Betty Boop because I think I have a buyer already.
I'm gonna take the 8-tracks. So the reason I picked it up, one, it was 50 cents. It comes with this cool case, but there's a number of these recordable ones that are still sealed in here. They sell for about $10 each, from what I could tell. And then there's some open ones, so we'll see.
Yep. That's a big boy. Okay, I'll take the giant Taz mug.
Nice.
Cool enough.
I'll take the Alabama sweatshirt. So nothing crazy, but football season's coming up. It's got the big A on the front and the spell out on the back.
Yep. So I know these Nike golf shoes are probably worth more, but I just hate shoes so much. I'm gonna take the Wii game.
And then I'm gonna take the Nike golf shoes.
The Olympic game is like $10, but I don't know.
Yep.
All right,
Cool.
that's it. What, $52? $52 split in half. So do the math.
Yep.
26. 26. And then you got all this for $26. That's one heck of a day garage selling and thrifting. So
Peace out.
like the video.